Across to our guests, we're joined by Lalit Ambardar, activist, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, political analyst, Ravi Srivastav, also a political analyst, and we're expecting Radhika Kheda of the Bharatiya Janata Party, national spokesperson of the BJP, to join us anytime now. Let me first go across to Ravi Srivastav. Ravi Srivastav, look at everything that is wrong with what Mehbooba Mufti said and was backed by Hussain Dalwai. So if you're facing injustice, it's all right for you to choose the path of terror. Jaakar ke terror attack kar dijiye. In case there's injustice happening with you personally, individually, go pick up arms, go wage a war.
Good evening, Swati. First of all, picking up arms is absolutely undesirable, unwarranted, and nobody should do that. But what I'm seeing is that Mehbooba Mufti is a tall leader from Kashmir, J&K. She had been a former chief minister. So if she says something, is everything okay in J&K? Is there peace in J&K? It is now 6.5 years since that the Article 370 abrogation had taken place. Why the government could not bring the peace over there? Why the desired things have not been done there? It means it needs a probe that somewhere something is wrong. There are people like doctors.
But Ravi Srivastav, you do realize that there is a probe which is currently underway, that the NI has also now made second arrest in the entire case. But all that the politicians are looking for is to do politics on this issue. To say कि कश्मीर में जो हमारी मुसीबत है, you're linking entire region. You're linking the entire region to the blast, to the terror attack that has taken place in the national capital. On what basis? And then to say हमारी जो मुसीबत है वो वहां नजर आ रही, is that not justification of terror?
I have a reason to say that today Dr. Priyanka has been arrested from Rohtak. So how can you give a spin that this all is done by one particular community?
No, who gave that spin? Who gave that spin?
This is what the entire BJP is saying.
Who gave that spin? No, Mr. Srivastav, be specific. Be specific. Be specific. Who gave that spin? Because the first such reaction came in from Hussain Dalwai and Tariq Anwar, who both affiliate themselves to the Congress, are both part of the Congress, who said the first thing that they do is कि मुसलमान को पकड़ के जेल में डाल दो or target the Muslims. That spin came in from the Congress first.
This is entirely bomb blast happened right on the day when the Bihar polling was taking place.
Okay, so now you've gone to Bihar.
Well, something is corrected.
Okay, now you've gone to Bihar. Is this not justification of terror, Ravi Srivastav?
Bomb blast before the polling, before the election. Another attempt to polarize the whole nation.
All right, so give a clean sheet to the terrorists because किसी ने करवाया है bomb blast because Bihar elections. All right, that continues, Ravi Srivastav. That continues. I expected that you will condemn this. You will say that a terror attack is a terror attack. Don't link it to elections. Don't link it to a religion. But there we go again. Let me go across to Radhika Kheda. हिंदू मुसलमान आप करते रहेंगे? RSS को आप probe करेंगे कि नहीं? Those are questions that Hussain Dalwai of the Congress has asked. He says RSS role should also be probed.
RSS role should be probed for what? For trying to maintain peace in the country, for coming out to help people whenever there's an issue or there's a problem. He's forgetting that his own leader Jawaharlal Nehru or Indira Gandhi have always praised the RSS. So the Congress party is confused themselves. They don't know what they want, what their leaders stand for, and what the entire party stands for. But what is very unfortunate and very sad that today the Congress has openly come out to be known as Deshdrohis. When you stand for the terrorists, when you have reasons to support the terrorists and you want to divert the attention from the actual terrorists to other things because you want to save the terrorists. See, it's not just Dalwai that it is limited to. Whether you see that in the Latbandhan, they are the Latbandhan because they're also fighting amongst themselves. Whether you have Mehbooba Mufti, she has a problem. Whether you have Sanjay Singh, he has a problem. Whether you have the former chief minister and the father of the current chief minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Farooq Abdullah, yesterday he went on to say that Operation Sindoor only got you nothing. So it is a continuous process that we are not only seeing from the Congress, but under the leadership of the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, because he categorically started it first. he went on to say from Indira Bhavan that my fight is against the Indian state.
Okay.
Now, when your fight is against the Indian state, of course, your chamchas of the alliance are going to come up and say anything. But it is very sad. Even Sanjay Raut.
But Radhika Kheda, Mehbooba Mufti says ये जो कश्मीर में हमारी मुसीबत है ये दिखाई दे रही है. She's linking it to Jammu Kashmir. Another Congress leader says this is a result of the injustice which is happening. Ravi Srivastava says this shows everything that is wrong in Jammu Kashmir.
What is wrong in Jammu Kashmir? Terror incidents have come down by 68%. Jihadi incidents have come down by 80%. There were 9,300 terror incidents in the 10 years of UPA government. I didn't speak over you.
Shut up. Ravi Srivastava ji, 1 second. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen, please relax. Go ahead.
Thank you. The terror incidents have come out. And now you're also forgetting yesterday they even had a problem when the terrorist house was burned down. They are there to save these people because they want to create unrest, and that is their vote bank. They have gone so crazy for the vote bank that they are seeing nothing beyond it. We are the only party that had the courage to remove Article 370 from Kashmir without thinking that वहां पे हमारी सरकार आएगी कि नहीं आएगी. We went on to take that step for the nation. 70 years this country has been facing Naxalwad. Today, because of our government, Naxalwad is almost coming to an end. But again, yet, you have the same Congress party standing up for the Naxals also. Ki no, you should not finish Naxalwad.
Is that what it has all been reduced to? Is that what it has all come down to? Just appeasement politics?